Hello guys, today's video is about how to unlock your WhatsApp application. To do this, first of all, you will need to go into the Google Play Store. Once you've entered, you'll then need to update your WhatsApp application. Here in the search bar, please type WhatsApp. After typing WhatsApp there, WhatsApp is already downloaded on my mobile phone, but it's not updated. So first of all, I'm going to update WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp update is pending. Please wait a moment. Alright, I've just finished updating WhatsApp. Now I need to go into the WhatsApp application and then I'll have to click on the open up button. Okay, you need to click on the three dot button right here. After that, you will click on the settings option. Then you need to click on the privacy option here. Next, you will scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Once you've scrolled down, you'll see app, and then you must click on the app lock option. My application is already locked right here on this device. So for those of you who want to undertake this task, just like I have, you must absolutely follow the A to Z guidelines to ensure it's done properly. This option, without a doubt, performs exceptionally well for security purposes, offering great protection. For those who don't understand the process, please make sure to ask questions. Please comment or you can email me at my address. I will explain the work to you clearly. To get more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. For the next video, ring the bell icon to receive it quickly and watch it before anyone else. Thank you.